Sharing content with guests is really easy with Clinked. Guest sharing is ideal for sending one-off files with individuals. To get started, head to the file that you would like to share with your guest. At the bottom of the file, select Shared With. Type in the email addresses of your recipients. Add an optional message, expiry date and time, and password before pressing Share. Your recipients will get an email asking them to view the file. Depending on the permissions, they can upload a new version, download the file and add comments. Once you've shared content with a guest once, they'll appear in your guest list. Here, you can update their name to share content faster in the future and add a password if you always want your files protected when a guest tries to access it. To find out more, head over to our website at clinked.com.